afternoon. Down everyone. Have everyone had their lunch? Yes. Good. So last class we discussed about negative big numbers. We did some problems on negative addition and multiplication. So today we are going to discuss how to do negative division. So can you give me some example where we use the negative numbers in our real life? Anyone? Yeah. We denote temperature as negative. We write minus 10. Then we say increase, right? And in banking we say the shares are negative. Our upper balance is negative. That means we have loss. That's what negative means. So today we are going to discuss how to do negative division. First, can you give me the answer of this solution? This question: 6 divided by 2. Can you tell me what's the answer? 3. So in 6 divided by 2, what we did is we found to what number 2 must be multiplied so that we get the answer 6. Right? To what number 2 must be multiplied so that we get 6. രണ്ടിലൂടെ ഏത് നമ്പർ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലാണ് നമുക്ക് 6 കിട്ടുന്നത് നമ്പർ. So we know the days 2 1 2 2 4 2 3 6. So we know that 2 into 3 gives 6. Therefore 6 divided by 2 becomes 3. So my question is, what is minus 6 divided by minus 2? Can anyone give the answer? This method is same. We have to find to what number 2 must be multiplied so that we get the answer minus 6. So to what number 2 must be multiplied to get the answer minus 6? Is minus 3. So here 2 into 3 gives 6. So we must do 2 into minus 3. Then only we get the negative answer. So it's minus 3. So then we can say that since 2 into minus 3 gives minus 6, minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. You get the answer, right? So I will give you another question. Then what is minus 6 divided by minus 2? Can anyone tell this answer? Here the method is simple. You want to know to what number minus 2 must be multiplied so that we get the answer 6. No, this is the example. I will tell you a simple number. So here minus 6 divided by minus 6. We can write this as minus 1 into 6 divided by minus 1 into 2. Right? Minus 1 into 6 gives minus 6. Minus 1 into 2 gives minus 6. Here we can cancel this minus 1. So our question will become 6 divided by 2. We know the answer. 6 divided by 2 is 3, right? So we get the answer 2. So this is negative division. When we divide a positive number, when we divide a negative number by a positive number, we get a negative answer. And when we divide two negative numbers, we get a positive answer. There are simply 3 rules in division. Okay? So rule number 1 is the quotient of a positive and a negative integer is always positive. this minus 6 by minus 2. Here the quotient of here minus 60 by minus 2 always is 3 because we took out the common factor minus 1 out and we did the regular division. So this is what negative division means. The rule 1 states that the quotient of a positive and a negative integer is always positive. Rule 2 states that the quotient of two negative integers is positive, and rule 3 states that the quotient of two positive integers is always positive. So let us do another example to make you understand this now, okay? So here's my question. If y is equal to 1 by x, find y if x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. You get the question, right? So the question is to find the value of y, and we have some values of x. To do this, we write the question first. Y is equal to 1 by x. First, we shall substitute x as 1 by 2. Then it will become y is equal to 1 by 2. In class 7, we learned how to do this. In class 7, in division of fractions, we learned that this is of the form a by b by c. Then we can say that the answer of this a into c by b. Learned in class 7. So on substituting this in this, we get that here a is 1. So you write 1. And here b is 1. Here b is 1. You write y 1. And c is 2. Unit 2. We get the answer. What's the answer of this? 2. So we get the answer of first as 2. Now we substitute the second one. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. We write the question y is equal to 1 by x, and we substitute x is equal to minus 1 by 2 in this question. It will become 1 by minus 1 by 2. This is also in the form a by b by c. So we can write this a into c by b. From substituting the values, here a is 1, we write 1 into b is minus 1 by minus 1 and c is 2. We will get what's the answer? Minus 2. So the next question is to add the value of x as minus 5 by 2. You understood this, right? Then you can do that as a problem. So let's summarize what we learned. We learned 3 rules of negative division. Rule number 1 states that the quotient of a positive and negative integer is always positive. Rule 2 states that the quotient of two negative integers is always positive, and rule 3 states that the quotient of two positive integers is always positive. So I hope you all understand what you learned today. We can discuss the further